I'm back. Hi.
This is the Klein all-in-one precision screwdriver. It is the screwdriver that you have been waiting for.
I am back. You can't keep me down. I know how I know how many of you may like to think you can, but you cannot keep me down. I'm so far down already. How much more down can I go? I'm down. And I've got something interesting to talk about today. I'm going to talk about the Klein Precision All-in-One. No, Klein All-in-One Precision.
This is the Klein all-in-one precision screwdriver. It is the
Screwdriver. Precision. The Klein all-in-one precision screwdriver. 39 points of screwing, types of things. You got different bits. I'm going to come at you really quick here. I don't have a lot of time. I'm partially annoyed already today, and I've just got a little bit of time to hit you with some facts, some knowledge, drop something on you that I think is an incredible value. It's this Klein, around $30 or so. It's beautiful. Now, look at this. I know I'm real close up. I'm close and personal. Like, I was pleasantly surprised that it does not come from China, quite frankly, not from China. I don't know if it's a tariffs issue, or I think Klein wants to be able to say they create things in America, right? Which, this little latchy here, little latchy poo, spring loaded. That's awesome. I thought I was going to have something to kind of flip over, it might fall off, kind of crappy, but no, look at this. American spring loaded. American spring loaded. It's great. Hey, I know what you're thinking. Hey, I've used these before. The bits always fall out. And yes, I had one of these. It fell out a lot of times, the bits. And it's the ones like the Form 1. Your bit falls out, and now you're hosed. You got to go to your truck and another screwdriver. But look, it's actually, it holds in there pretty well. And the reason I got this thing, and I know I'm a little too close for comfort here, I want to tell you, the reason I got this, it's very exciting. Oh, that's satisfying. Look at this. I just gotta do it one more time. I gotta do it. Gotta pause for the cause. Watch. Oh, that's cool. It's like, it's satisfying. I like to snap it back.
Forget all other screwdrivers because this one will have you screwing like nobody's business. It works for screws. If you are American, you can rest assured that this is a product manufactured in the America location. It works in pure magic by accepting 39 different screw bits which are supplied.
It's got all of them. You know, it's got like the Torx. It's got the holy driver. It's got the holy driver in there. It's got.
This is the Klein all-in-one precision screwdriver. It is the screwdriver that you have been waiting for. In this amazing Klein all-in-one precision screwdriver set, you will find that you have at your disposal the following time: saving, life-altering, special, specific screw bits, stars, what looks like a plain propeller, S0, a couple other strange security type bit. You will never find a better precision screwdriver set, so stop looking. Phillips size 000 through 2, flat 1 millimeter through 3.5 millimeter, Torx T3 and T4, Holy Torx T3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15. Robertson number 1 and 2, some triangle. And buy this now, not the one I have, a different one. It does not come from China, so buy it. Guys, let me be straight with you. And by straight, I am not referring to one's orientation for same-sex like person for the purpose of romantically love-playing or making pretend family situations. I am referring to being honest about the joy of using the correct tool for the specific task at hand. Any job requiring a screwdriver is first and foremost a hand job. Why not do that job to completion with this Klein all-in-one precision screwdriver set?
And now look at this. Check this out. Check it. I know this is old hat. Everybody knows this. The tip spins. The nice thing is you palm this thing, right? You're doing a hand job. You get with one hand. You can keep pressure on it. Look at that. Chickity check it. If all of you people out there have these, great. If any of the 3 people that are watching at this point don't have this, get one. It's cool because you can keep pressure on what you're screwing like that and just give it a little turn. It is phenomenal, and it is something that you really need in your arsenal. And I don't care if you're just a DIYer or if you're out on the job type of person. Either way, this is a handy little tool, and you can screw anything little. Once again, precision. Tons of different things. You can screw little Phillips if you have little Phillips. Glasses, work out the glasses. You want to just use it to pry things. One thing, if you're using it to poke and pry, you get that bit stuck in something. You pull off, the bit comes out. So just be careful of that. Cognizant. Anyway, I've got to go. I've got to run. I've got too many things to do. But I just wanted to tell y'all that this is an awesome little tool. And not a lot of people are going to watch this, but I wanted to make a video about something that I kind of care about. And until I make my next toolbox video, this is my favorite thing right now. Get one if you really care about winning in all aspects of everything, because it's cool. I really like it. It's from America. I like it. And once again, it's a Klein all-in-one precision screwdriver, 39 different little bits, a bunch of different cool little ones. You can keep pressure on something while you're screwing and unscrewing. Everybody, come on. You got to know that's a good thing. And I'm going to go now. So I'll talk to you later. Bye.